Nate here, Brookside Landscape and Design. We didn't have the GoPro yesterday, but we started a waterfall conversion. She had a pond. I will flash those pictures here. She had a pond that wasn't filtering great because it was just poor design, poor filtration. You can see there's rocks here. What's that behind the rocks? It's an arms dealer. It's an arms dealer. It's me. Because of his arms are guns. Yeah, he's wearing a sweater, so you can't tell, but can't really tell. He's concealed carrying right now. So anyway,
he doesn't even work out.
So anyway, we're doing a pondless conversion here, and we have got our all of our stuff here already. You can see these rocks. This is all stuff that came out. This was all in that little tiny dinky feature. We have our excavation mostly done, just because all the stuff we pulled out kind of was occupying a space here. So we got some topsoil in the truck we need to get out, and then we are going to get cracking here on some rocking with the mini track and these big rocks. Enjoy. We have our dirt in, and it's time to get boulders in. Our basin is installed, and we are ready to rock. So we're going to pick from some of these big old boulders here, and get them in there somehow. So
keep
stuff is happening behind me, and I don't know if I like
rocking.
it. Well, we are doing rocks. We've got our bottom falls here, the 2 frame rocks. Those are set. And then we've got that top spillway there done, but I'm probably going to tear that out tomorrow anyway, because I don't like it. And these guys are working on the frame rocks for the stream portion of this thing. So yeah, we're gonna be done tomorrow. Super exciting. Yeah, we don't talk about him.
Hi, I'm Steve. I'm 20 years old, and I've been 14 years sober.
Good job, Steve.
We're foaming today. In the morning, and then planting and barking, and just gonna get it done today.
Quentin, plant the plants. Quentin, move this rock. Quentin.
Hi.
Do you want to know what's in the back of my truck?
What's in the back of your truck? The water feature box? All right, let's go see if he's telling the truth.
Well, maybe you can hear the waterfall behind you, behind the camera. Maybe you can't. Maybe you should get some hearing aids. Boom, roasted. Anyway, I'm sorry. That was rude. So we have this thing done. The foam is done. We're working on final edge treatments and getting the mulch in. That's pretty much it. So it's super exciting stuff. It's turned out real well. They're happy, which makes me happy. Anyway, enjoy some time lapse as we finish this thing up.